This video takes a look at the data collection step in the Google Analytics pipeline, describing the process through which Google Analytics collects data from a website and sends it to the servers to be processed. In the new version of Google Analytics, it makes use of an API called Measurement Protocol, which is the underlying technology used to communicate with Google Analytics. The Google Analytics Measurement Protocol allows developers to make HTTP requests to send user interaction data directly to Google Analytics servers. It has a bunch of different parameters and endpoints to send data to. To make it easier to send data using the measurement protocol, Google has its own JavaScript library called Analytics.js. Once installed on a web page, this library makes it simpler to collect data from that particular web page. It allows tracking of a lot of things right out of the box, like default parameters such as page path, hostname, referrer, and browser, as well as other information particular to that site. From a data collection perspective, Analytics.js library is the main piece responsible for carrying out the data collection. This library is extremely powerful and streamlines data collection, making it easier. All you need to do is add one piece of code to start collecting the foundational data straight away. Not only that, it also allows you to customize it endlessly in a very scalable way. Next, we take a look at general model of how the library itself works. Step 1. Including library contacts Google servers and brings the JavaScript library to add to the page. Installing it on a website is pretty simple. You just need to paste an excerpt of JavaScript code on every web page on your website, which pulls in the Analytics.js library from Google servers. All data to Google Analytics is sent in the form of hits. A hit is a discrete piece of information that is sent to Google servers. There are several types of hits, but the most common one are page view hits and event hits. A page view hit is sent when a user visits a particular page, while an event hit is used to track any action on the site, like watching a video. Analytics.js takes care to include some default metadata like page path, host name, screen size, IP address, which is used to extract location. So the best thing about the library is that it sets some defaults but then allows us to set and override the values as needed. This is very powerful as it helps make sure you can start quickly but then customize your setup as you need more data. In total, it tracks over 100 different dimensions, but not all are going to be useful and really means so much more opportunity to collect data. Before sending the data, Analytics.js gives you a few hooks to injecting other things, like setting things to be included in the next hit or even completely transforming the hit before it sends if you wish. Read up on require method custom task for more details on its hidden superpowers. Once the data is sent to servers, Google Analytics starts applying your configurations like filters and more before it gets ready to process the data and make it ready for reporting. But we will cover that in more detail in an upcoming video.